Oh, I don't really care. Look, it ain't mine. Look, it's not mine. So. Oh my God, I can't wait for all of these nails to come off. Because I was like at work like, huh? Look, I said I can't wait for these nails to come off. I was at work like, huh? Huh? Let me see my nails, they're so pretty. Oh, no. I'm trying to take them off. See, like, I don't want to see them. They, whatever are they now are clean floaties. But still, yeah, like you gotta be. They need mouth goggles. Oh no, because you can't swim like that. I mean, but you know what I mean. Look. Oh, that's called scuba. What is that? Alex is underwater.
It's not called scuba.
See,
I don't know how those things
Scuba's
work.
underwater with the
You have to, like, the thing that be upside.
oh, to be,
right?
baby, so you can't go too far. Because if you go under,
Right.
so
Then
how
you
do you know how far you going?
Because you're just swimming along the top.
But what if you can't swim? So you can't snorkel.
Right, but you have these the web things, you have the feet things on, and that helps you stay up too. So when you're flapping those behind you, that helps your feet stay up and help your body.
But no, because but you still gotta know a little something about water. I bet that motherfucker always buy a little water all in my. They be over here trying to. I be throwing up pool water.
Practice somewhere like here.
No.
In the shower
It's
bar.
too much.
No, I
This
you kept moving on you, and then
no, but how do you know, like, keep it at a certain, you know, like, not go too far, but not go too, how do you know?
you gotta relax.
You gotta go to snorkel school.
No, I mean,
You gotta go to dive
it
school.
was easy for me.
It's dive school.
No snorkeling.
Is it dive school? But is there such thing as dive school?
Yeah, probably dive. Scuba diving.
Oh, look at him. That's gonna be me one day. That's gonna be me one day.
No panic.
No, this is good as it gets. You ain't camping. But that's good. But baby, when y'all pushed me out, we went camping, I was laying on that thing. Remember when we went camping, we were there, and then y'all put me in the water, that little bed thing, I was laying there.
Oh, yeah,
and it
yeah,
started going far, and I'm like, babe, you like, what you doing? I jumped off, was like, it's going too far. I looked, that motherfucker was going I was like, oh, I'm trying to run. You're staying and shit. I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm done.
How was that? One of those music parks. I think it was water, Raging Waters maybe. And they have like a little, I forget what the name thing you get a little cruise and like
The little inner tooth, baby.
yeah, so like you know there's like the shore area and like goes off and like a little tube thing and I'm like, oh shit, it's too far for me. Hold on.
All right.
Because that safety, you don't think you know that shit what you in.
Yeah, y'all my foot like the movie. Right. You're like, yeah. And everybody loud laughing. You're the best. Why wouldn't you look just to make sure everybody coming? You know how you be doing movies like that.
Oh my God.
We gonna look back, make sure we forget nothing or nobody.
Oh God. I'm like, I'm scared if I get my hair wet.
These places look like some model like place. Like they seem like they doors usually look better than ours. They windows and doors look like that. Theirs look like Cosby Show doors. With 3 windows? Oh yeah. Oh, you're so right. That's the 5th time in 12 years, babe. I'm keeping up. It's curtains, blood. It's curtains. It's gonna be curtains. See, look, it's curtains. It's curtains. No, it's drapes. It's drapes.
Window treatment.
It's called panels.
Window
It's
treatment.
panels.
Window treatment.
It's panels. It's Valance. You know, Valance is the thing that goes on top of it. It's Valance.